What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Naledi Chirwa is like finally responded, to Mboyiseni Ndlozi after Mboyiseni Ndlozi boldly claimed, that Cyril Ramaphosa acted decisively by putting Senzo Mchunu on a what is that called, a special leave, and Naledi Chirwa, sort of came in and said, you know what, when is a special leave a decisive action? It's actually worse because in the case of Senzo Mchunu, he's accused of handing over a security function of the country to people, who have nothing to do with the police or anything whatsoever. Because one of the biggest problems that is happening with Senzo Mchunu is that he is getting to sit at home for a month, and at the very same time he is getting paid. He is getting paid. His pay has not been suspended at all. So the general consensus from Naledi Chirwa is that this is not being decisive because he lied. But overall, one thing is very, very clear, Mbusini Ndlozi is no longer as revolutionary as he used to be. That is basically what we can see here as Naledi Chirwa is clearly exposed to Mbusini Ndlozi. That there are now two salaries for two ministers and two for deputy ministers. So in total, this is four ministers, getting a salary here, and all because of this special leave that has been given to Senzo Mchunu. So my verdict is this a decisive action as being said by Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, or is it indecisive as being explained by Naledi Chirwa? My conclusion, is that it's indecisive. Four ministers, it's a lot. I'll catch you guys on the next one.